Welcome back, students. I am Anshul Agarwal. I am back here to teach you general knowledge. Okay. Today I am going to start with chapter number 4. That is save the planet Earth. Okay. We live on the Earth. Then it's our duty to save our planet. Okay. To make the environment clean. Okay. Chapter number 4. That is save the planet Earth. Are you concerned about the health of your planet, the Earth? You should be concerned about the health of our planet, that is Earth. Okay, are you ready to incorporate some measures to save it? Here some points are given, some measures are given. You have to follow these measures to save your planet. Okay, if yes, here is a fun exercise for you. Question number 1: what can we do to clean the air we breathe in? You should write the question with the help of a manual. Okay, you should write the answers with the help of your manual. Okay, I am telling you, I am explaining you the answers. We can do, how can we do to clean the air? How can we clean the air? Okay, we can clean the air by planting more and more trees. Then we should plant more and more trees to clean the atmosphere. Okay. Second one is, what can we do to keep our surrounding clean? For making our surrounding clean, we should throw the garbage in the dustbin. Okay, we should not throw the garbage anywhere. We should not throw the waste material anywhere. Okay, we should throw the garbage into the dustbin. Okay. Question number 3: what can we do to reuse the wastewater from the kitchen? We can reuse the wastewater from the kitchen in our garden. Okay, in plants. Okay. What can we do to minimize the usage of paper? We should minimize the use of paper. Okay. Then for this, we can reuse the paper. We can use the paper again and again. Okay. We can make the paper bags. Okay. We can make the envelopes. Okay. We should use less paper, and we should use both the sides of the paper. We should not write at only one side of the paper. Okay. We should use both the sides of the paper. Here, you have to write some slogans on save water and accidentally. For save water, you can write the save water, save life. Water is life. Okay. For electricity, save money. Okay. Trees, save earth. Here you can write the answer with the help of a manual. Okay. Now, chapter number 5. Chapter number 5, that is the amazing green world. Green world means green plants. Okay. There are hundreds of different types of plants in the world. There are different types of plants. There are variety of plants in the world. Some of them are incredibly amazing. Some plants are very amazing. Okay. Come, let's read about them. Here we will study about some amazing facts of the plants. Okay. Questions are given and you have to write the answer with the help of your manual. Okay. First one is, which is the world's largest flower? The world's largest flower is Rafflesia. Okay. Which is the fastest growing plant in the world? The fastest growing plant, that is bamboo plant. Okay. Third one, which is the smallest flower? That is Wolfia. Which fruit has its seed on the outside? Strawberry. Strawberry plant. Again, which tree has the longest leaf? The tree that is having the longest leaf, that is Raffia palm tree. Raffia palm tree. Okay. Which is the world's tallest growing tree? World's tallest growing tree, that is post redwood. Okay. What is the name of the world's tiniest tree? It means the smallest tree. Okay. That is dwarf willow. Dwarf means smallest. Dwarf means small. Dwarf means small or tiny, we can say. Okay. Which is the oldest tree in the world? That is bristlecone pine. Bristlecone pine. You have to write the answer with the help of a manual. Okay. Now, chapter number 6, the amazing life. The amazing life. In the last chapter, we have studied about the amazing facts of the plant. In this chapter, we will study about the amazing facts of some animals. Okay. There are various animals living around the world. Some of them are common, while some are rare or unique. Some animals are rare, which we can not find everywhere. Okay. Given below are some rare kind of animals. Here are some animals which we can't find easily are given. First one is, dash is the fastest animal on the earth. Fastest animal on the earth, that is peregrine falcon. Peregrine falcon. Okay. It is also bird. Okay. Birds are included in the category of animals. Okay. It is a bird. Falcon is a bird. Second one, that is the world's largest bird. You all know world's largest bird, that is ostrich. Third one is, the roar of a lion can be heard can be heard from 8 kilometers away. Okay. Fourth one is dolphin sleep with one eye open. Dolphin sleep with one eye open. Okay. Dolphin can sleep with having their one eye open. Okay. Fifth one is hooded pitoi. Hooded pitoi. It is known as hooded pitoi. Okay. It is the only poisonous bird. It is the only bird that is poisonous. Okay. Birds are not poisonous, but it is the only bird that is poisonous. Sixth one is giraffe is the tallest of all animals. The tallest animal, that is giraffe. That is the biggest and loudest animal. Blue whale. That taste with their feet. Butterfly can taste with their feet. Okay. Butterfly can taste with the help of their feet. 9. Bat is the only mammal that can fly. Bat, and also bats are responsible for this corona disease. Okay. Bat is the only mammal that can fly. It is a mammal. Mammal means it gives birth to its babies. Okay. Or we can say young ones. 10. Owls don't have eyeballs, they have eye tubes. Owls don't have eyeballs, okay? They have eye tubes. 11. Ants never sleep. Ants never sleep. All the time they are working. Also they don't have lungs, okay? And last one is octopus have 3 hearts. Octopus have 3 hearts, okay? You have to do the exercise with the help of your manual, okay? Yes. Now we will study chapter number 7. The chapter name is biennials and perennials. First of all, we should understand about these two words. Biennial, 2 years, or perennial means more than 2 years. In this chapter, we will study 2 types of plants. One of them can live for only 2 years. Okay, their lifetime is for 2 years. And the plants which can live for more than 2 years are known as perennials. Okay. Biennials and perennials are the 2 types of plants. Biennials are the plants which have a 2-year life cycle. Biennials are the plants which have 2 years life cycle. Okay. When perennials can live for more years. Okay. While biennials live only for 2 years. Here the pictures are given, and you have to identify which one is biennial and which one is perennial. First one is pansies, that is biennial. Second, foxglove, that is also biennial. Third one is wallflower, that is also biennial. Fourth one is hollyhock, that is also biennial. Okay. Fifth, evening flower, that is biennial. Sixth one is primrose, or primrose we can say, it is also biennial. Sweet william is biennial. Eighth one, that is perennial. And ninth one is also a perennial. Okay, agapanthus. 10 perennial. Here all the rest are perennials. Okay. Now there are some true or false are given. Perennials are the plants which have a 2-year life cycle. No. Perennials are the plants which have more than 2 years life cycle. Then first one is false. Biennials grow and produce seeds in the second year of their life. Yes, it is true. Biennials are the plants which are having 2-year life cycle. In the second year of their life, they grow and produce seeds. Okay. Wallflower and hollyhocks are the example of biennials. Yes. Irises and agapanthus are the 2 examples of the perennials. Yes, it is true. And you have to write the exercises, you have to fill the exercises, you have to do the question answers with the help of your manual. Okay. Now chapter number 8. Now I am going to start chapter number 8, that is birds of the paradise. Okay. The birds of paradise are one of the most colorful birds in the world. Okay, these are the most colorful birds in the world. They are found mainly in the jungles of Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and Eastern Australia. Here some fill in the blanks are given. You have to fill in the blanks with the help of the options given. First one is that is named after its powerful and loud trumpeting calls. It is trumpet manicoot. It is clear from its name. It is the loud trumpeting calls. It is famous for its loud trumpeting calls. It means trumpet manicoot. Okay. Second one, the male dash has the longest tail feathers in relation to the body size of any bird. Second one is ribbon-tailed astrapia. Ribbon-tailed astrapia. You have to fill the answer with the help of a manual. Okay. There is the national bird of Papua New Guinea. It is, third one is Raziana, bird of paradise. Fourth one, that is regarded as the loveliest of all birds, the blue bird of paradise. Okay. These all are the birds of paradise. Okay. Fifth has grey legs and yellow bill. This is paradise rifle bird. Paradise rifle bird. Okay. And sixth one is similar to Lois parrotia. It is western parrotia. Okay. We have to do the exercises. I am repeating it again with the help of the manual. Okay. Now chapter number 9. The web-footed birds. The web-footed birds. Chapter number 9, that is the web-footed birds. Besides the birds which live and feed on land, there are many birds which live mostly on the water. There are many birds which can live on the water. Okay. Some of these have webbed feet. These birds are having webbed feet. Okay. Here, some fill in the blanks are given, some questions are given. You have to write the answer with the help of the manual. Okay. In notebook, and you have to fill the book also. Okay. First one is, it has a wingspan of 11 feet. This is the biggest wingspan in the world of birds. It is a wingspan of 11 feet wingspan. Okay, that is wandering albatrosses. Okay, wandering albatrosses. Second one is the largest grave in Europe. It is a graceful bird with its long neck, long bill and slender outline. Second one is great crested grave. Great crested grave. Third one is they hold their breath while feeding. Their wingspan ranges from 3.5 to 5 feet. The wingspan ranges from 3.3 to 5 feet. Okay, and these are flamingos. Okay, there are flightless birds. They can drink sea water and spend around half their time in water and other half on land. They can live both on water and on land. Okay, they can live in water and on land also. Fourth one, that is penguins. Okay, and last one, fifth is, it has the largest bill of all birds. The largest bill of all birds, that is pelican bird. Okay, pelican. You have to fill the book and you have to do the exercise with the help of the manual. I think the course for the unit test first has been over. You have to do the same with the help of your manual in your notebook. Okay, and you have to also fill the book. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.